Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to implement data deduplication in Windows Server 2016. This task is very similar to Lab 5 of Microsoft Official Academic Course in Installation, Storage and Compute with Windows Server 2016 Exam 70-740 Lab Manual. First I will create a storage pool and then implement data deduplication. Then I will monitor data deduplication and then finally reset the servers so that I can continue the next lab. For this lab I will need two servers. One is the domain controller and the other one is server 3. To improve the performance and reliability of disk system, you can use storage pools and storage space from multiple disks. I will create a storage pool from 3 disks by using parity layout. I log in to server 3 and from the server manager I open File and Storage Service. Under Volumes I click Storage Pool. In the main pane under Storage Space, I right click on Primordial Pool and select New Storage Pool. Then I go Next and give a name to this storage pool. I go Next and then select 3 disks. And then click on Create. After the storage pool has been created, I close the window and then I right click on the storage pool 1 and choose New Virtual Disk. And I select OK at the dialog box and click Next and give a name to the virtual disk as Virtual Disk 02. Then I click Next and again Next and then select Parity and then click Next. Then I select Fixed Provisioning Type and then click Next. Then I give a size as 32 GB and then click Next and then I click Create. So a virtual disk has been created and I close this window. Next, in the new volume wizard I click Next and then Next again and then I give a size as 20 GB and click Next, and then on the drive ladder or folder page I click Next and then in the file system I select NTFS and I type storage pool as the volume label and then click Next, and then on the confirmation page I click Create. The volume is created and then I close the window. Next, I will implement data deduplication. Data deduplication reduces disk space by removing duplicate data to preserve storage capacity. It organizes data into small chunks, identifies the duplicates, and maintains a single copy of each chunk. Data deduplication is ideal for general shared folders such as public and home folders, offline folders, images, software development shares, and VHD libraries that store VHD files. I am on server 3. From the server manager, I select Add Roles and Features. Then I select Next, Next, and Next. Then I expand File and Storage Service and expand File and iSCSI Service. Then I select Data Deduplication and then Next, Next, Install. After the installation has finished, I close the wizard. Then I go to the server manager, click Files and Storage Services. Under Volumes, I right click on Drive E and choose Configure Data Deduplication. In the Storage Settings dialog box, for the data deduplication, I select General Purpose File Server. So the data deduplication implementation has been finished. Now we'll monitor data deduplication. On server 3, I open Windows PowerShell, then I issue the command get dedup status to get the status of data deduplication. Then I use another command kdedup metadata to get detailed information about data deduplication. Then I use another command get dedup jobs to get all the deduplication jobs that are running. That is the end of lab challenge, monitoring data deduplication. Next, I will reset the server so that I can continue working on the rest of the labs of this lab manual. So I will go to server 3, open server manager, and then open file and storage services. Then under volume I select disk and then click virtual disk 02. Then I right click on 20 GB drive and choose delete volume, and then I confirm by selecting yes. Under volume I click storage pool, and under virtual disk I right click on virtual disk 02 and then choose delete virtual disk. Then I confirm by selecting yes. In the storage pool section, I right click on storage pool 01 and choose delete storage pool, and I select OK. And that is the end of lab 5, implementing data deduplication. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like to receive notifications on future videos, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Thank you for watching.